Good morning, everybody. We are here at Cleveland Metroparks Zoo. We're going to visit the rainforest, as you can see behind me today. And we're going to take you along with us. Alright, so here's the outside of the building. This is like one of 3 indoor rainforests in the world. Let's head on in. Amateur radio committee. So now we're entering the aviary, which is a free flight, so all the birds are free to fly around. So closed door behind you. A little porcupine over there. Couple of Brazilian agoutis. This one's just all nestled up in his little bed. What you looking at? What are you looking at? Alright, I'll leave you alone. Here's a turtle. So here's the birds, scarlet ibis, a roseate spoonbill. Yeah, because the beak looks like a spoon. And what were these ones? Yum, 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 yum. The clouded leopard, and he's just taking a little nap back there. The monkeys are just chilling with each other. It's a Bali Mahana. Mahaya? Close enough. Scarlet macaw. He's trying to sleep. They're all sleepy today.
The weather.
But his eyes keeps popping in. I was like, hey, you looking at me? I'm going back to bed. shadows right there. So these are all the names of the apes. Gorillas. Apes,
Like
right?
Asher. Asher likes to hide.
Oh, this one's trying to hide himself.
Oh, he got in it.
So focus on the little baby. So he's just like, no, you focus on me. Now we're getting ready to go to the lower part of the rainforest. We'll find the black spine tube. Oh, there he is. He's posing.
Yeah. I'm sure he's not the only one in there.
Oh, I see that.
Ooh, I see a big cricket hiding. There's one right there too.
Crickets flying around inside of there. And here's a little froggy butt. Hello. Mr. Boa. Oh. No, you stay right there, Mr. Bat. Angie's freaking out of all the cockroaches
Oh my gosh, there's a
that
whole
are
bunch
all
of
over the bottom of the floor roaming around here. Yeah, we found the cluster of one. That one there is protecting his fruit stick. He's like, nope, this is my fruit. No one else's. Yeah. You gonna spread your wings and fly, sir? No. Just up, there it goes. Came right at us. Northern spider tortoises. This one's just trying to eat. Yeah. He's like, no. You're watching me. Nope. You're gonna go back over and eat? This one's just like, nah. This one's sit over here. And that one's a little sleepy. A chameleon.
Yeah.
Which one is it?
He's a veiled chameleon.
A veiled chameleon.
Yeah.
He was just trying to grab a hold of the window because he thought it was a branch.
He was waving at me.
Oh, was he waving at you?
Yeah. Hi, buddy.
He's like, well, can you give me some food? What you looking at?
Oh, look how strong he is.
Yeah, there, he's trying to wave. He poses. Now he's trying to figure out how can I get up this window. This is about the creepiest thing I've ever seen. It's a tentacled snake. And there's a couple of them in there. And this one, you can actually see them because you see the little tentacles right there by his head.
Oh my god.
Oh, we found the big python.
That's a python. Look at that. That's a python. I see some of his dead skin.
It is a big snake.
Python. It's a python.
Porcupine? No, they want to see the big
Could he squeeze you? Could he squeeze you to death? Big snake.
Look at the little ants carrying the leaves. They are all over this little tree in here. Look at that. And even like the sign says, leaf plants need plants. See him walking around from 2A. Over through the tubes here. Drain the leaves. This is a big tube. Look at all this. Look at this. That's where they go into. this is where the tube is dumping out at. This one's just chilling out by the vents. He's like, soothing bubbles.
He's in the spa.
Uh-huh.
Turtle's swimming right for him. Are y'all frames? Oh, hi, buddy. Why are you coming over here?
Because this is where the people are at.
Making me uncomfortable.
In the midst of the rainforest that just happened, there's a Cape porcupine just chilling out in the background. Some info as far as how you can help the rainforest from home, so that way all the rainforests do not go extinct. So now that we're all done walking through rainforest, they dumped you out here at the Amazon Cafe. And here's a list as far as what they're offering. There's some pizza, mac and cheese, Uncrustables. There's something for the kids. Ooh, ham and Swiss wrap. Sounds good. A big pretzel. $1.50 for a cheese cup. Always gotta have cheese with the pretzel. Chili. Got a couple of salads. Oh, wow, chicken sandwich. A fried po' boy. Might have to try that or Cleveland Philly, and then a grilled cheeseburger, or you can just have it hamburger. So this is what $34 will get you at the Amazon Cafe here at the Rainforest. And you did get the po' boy fish sandwich that has coleslaw on it and pickles, or a toasted bun with curly fries.
It's codfish.
I got the Ohio hot chicken sandwich. Got slaw and pickles on it, curly fries. We each got 2 Pepsis and Grandma's cookie. Because you're gonna split because you get 2 in there. But yeah, that's what $34 will get you. Closer look on the inside of the sandwich. Those are some big pickles. Alright, Angie's gonna try her fish po' boy sandwich. Look at that hunk of fish.
It's codfish. Oh boy. I'm excited. That's pretty good. It's nice and mild. Not very fishy. And they put coleslaw on it and some pickles. It's pretty good. The bun is toasted. That's actually really good.
Would you get it again? Mm-hmm. Well, we just got done eating at the Amazon Cafe.
Yeah.
And even though I thought it was a little overpriced at 34 bucks, it was really good. Mm-hmm. My chicken sandwich, it had some kick to it, hence the term, it was a hot chicken, but it was really good. I enjoyed it. So I definitely would have gotten that one again. How was your fish?
Mine was really good too. It was very mild fish, and the coleslaw was really good actually.
Oh yeah.
The pickles were good. There wasn't anything I didn't like about it, except you have to eat it really fast or the toasted bun kind of disintegrates. So it was from the coleslaw juice.
Oh,
yeah.
And the pickle juice.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was really good. If you ever get a chance to come here, definitely stop off at the cafe.
Oh, and also they do have a sandwich that is not listed on the menu, and I went over and asked the cook. I'm like, what exactly is that? And he said that it's a country fried steak inside of a pretzel. So,
yeah,
and then it has
weird.
Coleslaw and pickles on it. So might need to try that sometime.
We'll do that. Well, we just got done with the rainforest and eating. What'd you think about it?
Oh, always a good time at the rainforest.
Good way to spend the day. Now your ticket to the zoo also includes admission to the rainforest. So it's like a 2-for-1 if you want to look at it that way. So you can spend all day at the zoo, but remember, go check out the rainforest. So all in all, it was a good day, and always remember, keep your arms, legs, and hands inside the car at all times, and until next time, we'll see you at the next turnstile.